Good day everyone. So today's video I will demonstrate or to show how to retrieve records from multiple tables. So we will use again the select statement. Okay, select student number, last name, first name, middle name, college code, course code, major, then from TVL student, TVL college, TVL student, TVL college, TVL course, TVL major, where TVL student dot college ID is equal to TVL college dot college ID and TVL student dot course ID is equal to TVL course dot course ID and TVL student dot major ID is equal to TVL major dot major ID. So now mag-insert na tayo ng college ID, course ID, major ID. Okay, select TVL student that student number, TVL student that last name, TVL student that first name, TVL student that middle name, TVL student that college ID, TVL college that college code, TVL student that course ID, TVL course that course code, TVL student that major ID, TVL major, TVL major that major, from TVL student TVL college, TVL course, TVL major, where TVL student that college ID is equal to TVL college that college ID and TVL student and TVL student that course ID is equal to TVL course that course ID and TVL student that major ID equal to TVL major dot major ID So, ngayon, ang letter from TVL student, TVL college, TVL course, TVL major, ay gagamitin natin ay letter na alias. Okay? Select S for TVL student, A for TVL college, B for TVL course, E for TVL major. Select S that student number, S that last name, S that first name, S that middle name, S that college ID, A dot sulitin natin. Okay? A dot college ID. Select S student number, S last name, S first name, S middle name, S college ID. Then A dot college code. S dot course ID. V dot course code. S dot major ID. E dot major. From TVL student. S TVL college. A TVL course. B TVL major. E where S that college ID is equal to A that college ID and S that course ID is equal to V that course ID and S that major ID is equal to E that major ID. S that major ID is equal to E that major ID. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep safe everyone.